Arguello Realtor in Dallas, Texas, and I'm here to show you this beautiful condo in Preston Hollow. Come with me! And this place will be great for entertainment. Cheers! Now let's check out this upscale bedroom. Come with me. Gorgeous, custom-made arch doors. Welcome to this one-of-a-kind master suite in Preston Hollow. And wake up every single morning with this natural light and beautiful views that you will have in here. The master suite is just gorgeous, spacious, one of a kind. Come and check out this a sunroom in a condo with skylights and a beautiful view. Well, this condo has it all. Now, let's go back to the house. Come with me. Welcome back to this beautiful and spacious luxury condo in Preston Hollow. You can miss out having the opportunity to live in this upscale condominium in Preston Hollow at the edge of Park City's studio suite in this condo